In distant lands where the air is thick with the scent of spices, clove grows as a small yet formidable guardian. Its rich, warm fragrance drifts across markets, temples, and homes, carrying centuries of magic in its tiny buds. To hold a clove in your hand is to feel the pulse of masculine energy, alive and vigilant, imbued with the expansive power of Jupiter and the transformative force of fire. This herb, though small in size, has long been cherished for its protective qualities, its ability to attract love, prosperity, and its power to purify spaces where negativity may linger. Clove reminds us that true strength is often quiet, subtle, and deeply potent. Clove's masculine, fiery energy manifests first as a guardian of both space and spirit. When burned as incense, it purifies the air, clearing away harmful energies, restless spirits, or lingering tensions. Its smoke is said to stop gossip, silence harmful words, and restore harmony where misunderstandings may dwell. This purifying nature makes it an herb of protection particularly potent for homes, sacred spaces, and personal talismans. Its expansive planetary energy, drawn from Jupiter, further enhances Clove's magical reach, allowing it not only to protect, but also to bring abundance into the lives of those who honor it. In this way, Clove embodies both vigilance and generosity, warding off harm while attracting prosperity and good fortune. Yet clove is not only a protector, it is also an herb of attraction and comfort. Carried or worn, it draws the opposite sex and awakens the subtle energies of connection and intimacy. Its warm, spicy scent can soothe sorrowful hearts, offering comfort to those in grief, reminding us that even in moments of vulnerability, there is strength and support available. Its fiery essence awakens a spiritual vibration, stimulating psychic awareness and helping one tune into deeper truths. As an amplifier of intention, clove magnifies the energy of other herbs or magical workings it is paired with, making it a trusted companion for any practitioner seeking to heighten the potency of their craft. Clove's presence in magical practice is multifaceted. Beyond protection and attraction, it opens doors for prosperity and abundance. Its smoke and aroma create a space where intentions can grow and flourish, infusing both the physical and energetic environment with vitality. It teaches us that magic does not always need to be grandiose. Even a small, carefully chosen herb like clove can have profound effects on the environment, on relationships, and on the spirit. By connecting with clove, we learn the art of harmonizing strength, warmth, and protection, qualities that enrich every aspect of life. As we close this lesson, imagine the tiny buds of clove releasing their warm, fragrant smoke into the air. Feel the fire of Jupiter and the masculine strength that resides in each bud flowing through the space around you, filling it with protection, attraction, and abundance. Let this small yet powerful herb remind you that even the most modest of tools can carry immense magical energy, and that by honoring its essence, you align yourself with the enduring forces of strength, prosperity, and love. Step forward with confidence, knowing that clove's fire is both a shield and a guide, and that its magic is ever ready to support your journey through life.